I still get lost, I still zone out. They talk in plans and straight routine.
这是我爬山前的样
Chase
子。
that finished dream scene. I sit alone, come alive. Ignore the tick and blur the time. I know I'm not the perfect one, but I'm not done. I've just begun. No, I'm not blind to how life goes. I just don't want to fold so close. I'm not ready to live. Don't pull me down, don't take my stand. Even if I drift too high, at least I say I tried to fly.
现在时间2点半，然后爬了3252米，10.8公里。这个是要进那个餐厅的地方，你们走过来，然后我们的房间在这边。
I tried to fit, I played along, but something always felt so wrong. The safer paths, the silent steps, just lead me back to what I left there. I'm not a rebel, not a star. I'm just okay with who I are. And maybe that's a kind of fight to live out loud without the fright. Who says lost means going back?
596米。